What's up, everybody? If you know me, you know I love my pens. Last week, I picked up a cheap fountain pen. I got that video up. I wanted one of my favorite colors, and that's turquoise. So the other one has the blue ink cartridge in it already, so I'm like, let me get a fresh pen. Let me put that turquoise in, and it's not a ink cartridge that you can automatically inject like the other ones. It came with 5 black, 5 blue. You can also suck it up with the other one too, but this one I got just to suck up the ink, and it's the turquoise ink. Look at that 1 ounce of nice color for a cheap price. I like the little metal case that comes in. This is highly rated. I spent about 15 minutes looking at different ones. There were some cool ones, but this one had one of the higher ratings. It's got some good weight to it. Oh yeah, this is a medium. I don't like the fine tip with these. It's gold at the end. Let's press that. Oh yeah, look at that nice spread. That's gonna really pour that ink out. Awesome. So let's go ahead and unscrew this bad boy without further ado. It's got a spring in there. So there it is. And then you just suck it up. Now you can take this out and put cartridges in if you want, but let's not spill it. That would be devastating. Alright, so let's put it in. Let me get my napkin. Put the tip in. Alright, that's not working. So instead of sucking it directly through the pen tip, it wasn't working, which is fine. I just took that cartridge out, and I'm going to stick it in there and suck it this way. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That worked for sure. So I'm going to stick that right there. Put the cap back on that because this is a little sketchy. Ooh, look at that color. Look at blue turquoise. Don't screw this back down, obviously. You're going to get the pen tip. You do want to apply some force to get it on there. So, alright, that's on there. Press it down a little bit more. There we go. It should be on there very secure. Put this back in, and we are going to let this set for about 5 minutes. Look at that, got a turquoise pen as well. And then we're going to come back and see the final results. I'm going to show you the one I got last week too at the very end, just to do it. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes since I've placed the ink in that pen over there. Let me turn on a light. So while that sets for another few seconds, here's the one I got last week. Like I said, this one, you can do the same. You can suck up different inks. You can buy different inks. But this one did come with 5 blues and 5 blacks. So all you have to do with this is just stick it in there. Take out the syringe on the other one, push these in. Yeah, I do have the syringe for this one, so when I do want to suck it in there, you just bypass all that ink, suck it in there. But look, here's that one, black tip. Look at the spread. It's hard to see because the ink pours out. But let's just hold it down. This is a medium as well. And it just keeps bleeding and bleeding. Look at that. Looks very nice. If you want to write fast with it, you can do so. You write thin, or you can start off hard and finish light. Or just drag it across the page. Alright, let me save some room for the turquoise / blue pen. It's had enough time to set, so I'm going to press it. Oh, there it is. Look at the spread on that. That spread is pretty wide. So actually, you know what? It has not gone all the way down yet, so let's give it some more time. I just thought of something. Actually, what I'll do, since it is, sucked it in there, I'm going to squirt some out so we don't have to let it set for so long like the cartridges. I'm going to turn this and kind of push the ink down. There it is. There it is. Okay, don't do too much. So this should work now. That color does look amazing. There it is. Alright, ooh, this bleeds hard. But I noticed with this pen, it's a different brand, it spreads more. But look at that. It just pours out. And then if you want to do it faster, look at that. Thin and heavy. Drag it. Alright, it's awesome. Oh yeah, I'm taking this to work tomorrow. Look at that bleed. Small side note, you see how it's bleeding a little bit through there? That's what those ridges, those vents are for, so it's fine. Wipe it, but you just might want to retract some air. Oops, wrong way. Retract a little bit of air, that way it's not bleeding so much, and just suck it back in. So, and you'll be good to go. Just to have some space in the tube where it's not pressing out, obviously. All right, have a great one.